If you need to create a quiz fast without wasting hours building questions manually, AI can generate the questions, the answers, the grading, and even the explanations automatically. In this video, we're going to be covering the 5 best quiz maker platforms you can use in 2026 for schools, businesses, online courses, training, lead generation, and much more. And the number 1 spot goes to the platform using AI to automate the entire quiz building process. Let's get into it. Quiz makers have evolved way beyond basic online tests. Today, they're used for employee training, online certifications, school assessments, lead generation funnels, course testing, and even viral personality quizzes. And the big change here, well, AI dramatically speeds up the process of making these quizzes. For example, a teacher can now create an entire math assessment in 2 minutes, instead of spending 2 hours writing the questions manually. That's why these tools are exploding right now. Now, coming in at number 5 is Typeform. Typeform is perfect if you care about design and engagement. Its conversational style makes quizzes feel more interactive and less intimidating. That's why it's heavily used by marketing agencies, brands, startups, and lead generation campaigns. The drag and drop builder is simple. It visually looks far more modern than traditional forms. If your main goal is stylish, customer-facing quizzes, Typeform is definitely a strong option. Number 4 is Google Forms. Everyone already knows this one. It's free, it's simple, it's easy to share, and it works well for quick quizzes or surveys. Responses automatically sync into Google Sheets as well, which generally makes organization easy for schools and small teams. It's not the most advanced platform, but for basic testing and quick forms, it does get the job done. Next, in number 3, we have Kahoot. Kahoot turned quizzes into games. Leaderboards, live competitions, timers, music is designed to keep students engaged, and this is especially popular in classrooms and training sessions because participation feels fun instead of forced. If your priority is interaction and energy, Kahoot is still one of the strongest classroom quiz platforms available. Now, stick around for option number 1 because it's blowing all of these out of the water. Coming in at 2nd place is Quizizz. Quizizz is excellent for homework quizzes and self-paced learning. It combines gamification, leaderboards, performance reports, and easy assignment systems. Teachers especially like the analytics because they can quickly identify weak topics, student progress, and overall class performance. It's simple, engaging, and very effective for schools and online learning. Now, first on my list is ProProfs Quiz Maker. This is the best overall AI quiz maker that I've found on the internet. And there is a very simple reason for this. You can see here we've got all of our quizzes that we've made previously, and if we want to create a quiz, the process is incredibly straightforward. We simply ask the AI to create a quiz. We can also upload PDF documents, and it's going to create the quiz for us. Now, before we do this, let's talk about why this is the number 1. What makes ProProfs different is that it's built specifically for quizzes and assessments, not just generic forms. However, you do get the analytics, so it would work as a generic form as well. This platform is designed for teachers, HR teams, corporate training, businesses, online educators, and certification systems. If you need to launch compliance tests, onboard quizzes, or training assessments quickly, this platform is incredibly efficient. So here I have a tutorial that I made internally for the company I'm working at. And what we're going to do with this is export it as a PDF, and then we're going to go over to ProProfs, and then we're going to upload that. And then we're going to have the prompt use the uploaded file to create a quiz. Next, we simply press Generate Quiz and let the AI do the work. Now, this does work with PDFs, PowerPoints, Word documents, and YouTube links as well. And as we can see, the AI has automatically created questions, answers, and explanations. That, for me, is honestly huge. And we can also add images and videos to each section if we want to as well. So instead of manually writing every question, the system builds the quiz for you in minutes. And if you don't want to start from scratch, there are already 100,000 different ready-made quizzes that you can choose from, and over 1 million quiz questions available. Now, customization here is really strong. You can create quizzes for more than 20 different question types, including multiple choice, fill in the blank, matching, checkboxes, and multimedia-based questions. You can even choose difficulty level, number of questions, and quiz structure. So whether you're building serious exams, training systems, or fun interactive quizzes, The flexibility is all here. Once we're happy, we can go to the next section here. So there are settings. So we can change a bunch of different things. We can change the quiz scoring system. We can change the order of the questions, so we could shuffle the questions if we want. We can also change the questions per page and a bunch of other things, including certificates and quiz reports. Now, all of this will feed into our reports section. So there's instant learning feedback. After someone answers a question, the AI can immediately explain why the answer is right or wrong. That's far better than simply showing the final score, especially for education, training, and onboarding. Then on the back end, this is where the reports tracking comes into it. You can find things like week topics, group performance, and individual progress. This is extremely useful for schools and companies managing large teams. But we should also talk about the security features. Unlike lightweight quiz tools, ProProfs also supports serious exam security, including webcam proctoring, browser lockdown, timers, and randomized questions. This will help reduce cheating during assessments or certifications, and that's why it works well not only for schools, but also for businesses and professional training environments. Now, the scale of this platform is also incredibly impressive. We're talking about over 100,000 different quizzes, over 50 million different quiz takers, and thousands of quizzes created daily. Companies like Sony, Dell, Cisco, and DHL, as well as Yale University and LinkedIn, have also used the platform. That level of adoption builds a lot of trust. Now, another major advantage here is that there is a free forever plan. There's no credit card required for this, and paid plans start around $20 per month if you need more advanced usage. So you can test almost everything before upgrading. Now, the final verdict here for me is if you want stylish interactive forms, Typeform might be an option. If you want basic quizzes, Google Forms is also there. For live classroom games, you've got Kahoot. And for homework engagement, you've got Quizizz. But if you want the strongest overall combination of AI quiz generation, security, analytics, automation, and a super fast setup, ProProfs Quiz Maker is probably the best all-round option right now, especially for businesses, teachers, trainers, and online educators. If you want to try ProProfs Quiz Maker yourself, check the link below and test the free plan. Let me know in the comments which quiz maker you actually use. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more AI and productivity tools, and I'll see you guys in the next one.